Hey everybody, Dustin here from Official California Detailing, San Diego's most obsessed detailing and ceramic coating company. So we're going to talk to you today about this BMW back here and why to bring your car to a professional to do your ceramic coating compared to having you do it at home, a DIY coating, and what those pain points could be. So I'm going to flip this around and kind of talk you through what we're seeing and what went wrong. So we have a BMW iX, I think is what this one is, or XM. But this one, it's interesting because under the LED lights, we can't really see a ton of the high spots. We're going to show you what the difference is from the high LED to the diffuse lighting and why we use those during install. But if you look here, you can see a little bit of that ceramic coating didn't get buffed off, like here and here. If you look really closely, you can kind of see it. Like up here too, and like that stuff's not budging really. So let me turn these lights off real quick. I'll show you the difference of that diffuse lighting to the high LED lighting. So we turn these off real quick, and then we have our diffuse lighting. So this is like diffuse lighting, like photography lighting. But if you start to come in, you can see like right there is those high spots. Turn this tone down, there we go. So you see like right in that spot here. But if we start looking across the vehicle, we'll start seeing more and more. So having the proper lighting is good because we can obviously see what we're wiping down and not wiping down. So it's everywhere, as you can see. So we'll keep you updated as we keep going on this project. We're going to do a full chemical decontamination wash. We're going to do a clay bar. We're going to do a paint correction to get that old coating off of there and then reapply the ceramic coating. It's going to take some extra work. This coating's hardened up, so we have some extra work to do. This is one of the many pain points of trying to do it yourself compared to hiring a professional to do it once, right the first time. Now that we've done our chemical decontamination wash, we are going to do a one-stage paint correction. And with our professional grade tools, this will help us remove the do-it-yourselfer coating the customer had installed, getting us back down to the clean, pristine paint job that we need for a proper ceramic coating application. So now that we have finished the paint corrections part of things, we are going to use an alcohol-based paint prep. This is going to strip any of the old polishes, waxes, sealants off of there that could still be on the surface. And this will give us a nice, clean paint system to apply ceramic to as we move forward. So then we take our pro-grade ceramic coating and we are going to apply this to the exterior paint, plastics, wheel faces, and glass. So now we're going to take our pro-grade ceramic coating and put it onto our applicator. This is applied by hand onto our glass, painted areas, plastics, and wheel faces. And then we have a certain window of letting this dwell enough so that it is not removing it from the surface too early, but not giving us the high spots and streaks that we were seeing on the other install. So we have wrapped up on this project back here. And just to recap, we ended up going through our decontamination wash, clay bar, a paint correction to remove the old ceramic coating off there, as well as the paint correction to make sure we have a clean surface. Got some swirlies out in this process as well. Then once we did that, we prepped the surface with a paint prep, an alcohol-based wipe down to ensure we have all the contaminants and old waxes, polishes, sealants off of there. Then once we've done that, we applied the ceramic coating to the paint, plastics, the glass, and then those wheel faces as well. Let's turn it around. We'll show you how it came out today. With having it in the controlled environment of the shop, one, we can see exactly what the paint is doing, what the coating's doing when we wipe this down to ensure a flawless finish to stay like this compared to the hazy mess that we saw earlier. As you can see, nice and clear. And like I said, we got the paint, glass, plastics, wheel faces, everything with those rubber tires got some ceramic coating on it today. So if you're interested in this paint correction and ceramic coating service, give us a call today. Come by the shop for a free quote or book that service online. We can't wait to work with you.